Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Inshallah, in this video, we will be speaking about harf al-qaf, which is similar to harf al-fa wa harf al-waw. They all have the same head, and just the body portion differs between them all. For harf al-qaf, I'm just going to quickly do the motions of the head. Again, is a curve up and then a swift curve down with it. Okay, once we complete the head, the body is going to be unique for harf al-qaf. It may look similar to harf al-noon, but it is more distally angled than harf al-noon. Harf al-noon ends around within the center, right? So when the ka's of harf al-noon goes down, it is more of a 1/3, 2/3 split, right? With harf al-qaf, it is a 1/4, so quarter, and 3/4 split. So the actual base ends far further than with harf al-noon. And it goes down around 2 nuqtas worth downwards. So similar to harf al-noon in that aspect, I guess. We'll start where we left off. And then we're just going to go down and out around 2 nuqtas worth, and you can see how the base of the qaf actually ended up being further away. That's 1/4, and this is 3/4 the distance. You can see it's more distally located rather than measly towards the center portion. While with the harf al-noon and other letters, it's the base or the portion that touches the line is more centrally located than in harf al-qaf. I emphasize that point because it's a common mistake and could lead to future problems. Inside, it is around 2 nuqtas worth, and this should also be around 2 nuqtas worth. It's a little, I made it a little tighter, but it should be around 2 nuqtas worth. And then this right here is around a nuqta and a half. One last thing actually before we wrap up is that for harf al-qaf, this is the 2 nuqtas of the qaf. And so we don't need to create the 2 nuqtas over here for harf al-qaf because this is sufficient for the 2 nuqtas. This is the 2 nuqtas for harf al-qaf. And so just make sure that when you do this letter that you don't put an extra 2 nuqtas here because these are the 2 nuqtas that go up here for harf al-qaf. This is the only way that I know of that the single letter of harf al-qaf and khatt Ruk'aa is written, and I don't believe there is another way to write harf al-qaf singly other than this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and inshallah I will see you in another video with another letter. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.